Hi guys, welcome back to Motoroids, and we are now covering the last range of trucks from Tata's new commercial vehicle range. Now this range is the more premium range and it also offers the most capabilities of them all. So now this range comprises of the Prima and the Signa trucks. Now these trucks again, they come in varying levels of capabilities and even alternative fuel options. So let's take a look at all of them one by one. Now firstly, we have the Signa range of trucks, and from that we have the new Sigma 2818 CNG. Now the Signa trucks, they are offered in CNG as well as normal diesel engine options. So the CNG range of trucks, this one, the 2818, offers a range of 700 kilometers and it has the option of a 24 feet deck and a 32 feet deck length as well. Other than this, it also has enhanced safety features, so you could get your auto misfire detection in this for the engine and automatic shut off of the valves if there is a leak or any other issue with it. You also get a dual fill nozzle, so you can fill your CNG fast via one nozzle or slow via the other nozzle. Other than this, this truck weighs around 28 tons, which means that it's really heavy duty, and it offers two wheelbase options. So the first is 5505 mm of wheelbase, or if you want to go longer, you have your 6800 mm of wheelbase. This truck is powered by a 5.7 liter SGI engine which produces 180 horsepower and 650 Newton meters of torque. It comes with a hydraulic power steering and the wheel size is at 20 inches. Now from this truck, we're going to move to the Signa 1918 CNG. Now this truck sits above the 2818 and it offers enhanced range. So instead of the 700 kilometer of range, you get 1000 kilometer of range. So like the 2818 Signa CNG, this model also comes with your dual filling nozzles and you have your auto misfire detection and your automatic shut off valves. Again, like we said, that the range has been improved and the weight difference is quite a lot. So that truck was around 28 tons and this one is around 18.5 tons. Other than this, the engines are the same. So you have your same 5.7 liter engine that produces 180 horsepower and 650 Newton meters of torque. Now the final truck from the Signa range is the 5530.S. Now this truck runs on your good old diesel and it does not offer that capability of CNG that the other two models offer. So now this model comes with your multi-mode drive switch and it also gets a gear shift advisor so that the driver can shift on the optimum times and you can get the most fuel efficiency out of your truck. Other than this, the truck weighs 55 tons, which is much more than the CNG models that we saw previously, and it is powered by a different engine. So it gets a Cummins 6.7 liter engine that produces 224 kilowatts of power and 1100 Nm of torque. Other than this, it also gets a new steering wheel and washable trims to keep your truck clean. Lastly, it also comes with better utility space and better illumination from the lights. So this was the Signa range of trucks. Like we saw, it offers the capability of CNG, and if you want, you can go the heavy duty way and have the 5530 model. Let us know what you think of it. And before we finish, we are going to go and look at the Prima range, which sits at the top of Tata's truck range and it offers the most amount of features and capabilities that you would ever need. So in the Prima range, you have two models, which is the 5530 and the 3530.K 19 Scoop. Now this Scoop, focus on this word because this is what this model gets over the standard Prima. So in terms of the engine and everything else, you get the same features and the capabilities in both the trucks, save for the safety systems. So firstly, this Prima has been redesigned from the previous model, and as you can see, you have some aerodynamic bits on the truck that you see over here, and this improves your fuel efficiency as well, and it looks quite trendy on a truck, to be honest. Other than this, you also have your aero covers and a new front fascia compared to the older model of the Prima. Tata has focused a lot on the creature comforts of the Prima, and that can be seen from the feature list as well. So you have a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system which can actually be paired via Bluetooth or aux. Other than this, you also have your engine brakes and hill start assist, which is a crucial safety feature for the truck. Other than this, the truck weighs 35 tons and it has a 19 scoop body, which is again different from the standard Prima. Lastly, the engines in the Prima is similar to the Signa diesel version. So you have a 6.7 liter Cummins diesel engine that produces 224 kilowatts of power and 1100 Nm of torque. Now, like we said before, the interiors of the Prima is where you would like to be. So Tata has given it a nice new 3-spoke steering wheel, which is like a car actually. And you also have your steering mounted audio controls. The speedometer, as you can see, offers a lot of information that you would want to see, and it will also offer you a gear shift indicator like the other Tata trucks that we saw. Now, the talking point of course has to be the 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which can be connected via Bluetooth or via aux, and you also have your air conditioning system. Other than this, there are a lot of spaces to keep your stuff. So over here, as you can see on the bin, that you have a lot of places to keep your knickknacks. This Prima written over here, and you have your storage space in the middle. You also have your USB charging ports, by the way, and there's 2 of them, and you have your usual buttons. This is for the scoop that we see at the back, and this is the light button to control your lights, and these are LED units and they offer quite good illumination as well. Tata is also offering a blind spot mirror wherein you can see all the stuff in your blind spot on the left side. Now, comparing the standard Prima 5530 compared to the 3530 K19 scoop, the only differences that you are going to see are in the form of the scoop and the non-scoop option that you get in this truck. But one of the biggest differences between the two is the safety systems. So this truck, the standard without the scoop, it comes with hill start assist and electronic stability control, which are very important for a truck. Other than this, you get to see ADAS. Now, this is something that we've not even seen in Tata cars, but Tata is offering it in its trucks. So as a part of the ADAS system, you get a front collision mitigation, your driver monitoring system, and your lane departure warning. Now, the driver monitoring system is quite a lifesaver actually, wherein the monitoring system inside the cabin will look at the driver and it will see if the driver is falling asleep. If the truck detects that, it will sound an alarm to wake the driver up. Other than this, everything else that you see in the trucks is the same. Of course, the capabilities do differ and the weight is also different, but the engine, it's the same 6.7 litre Cummins one, and even the design with the projector headlamps and the aero bits are similar to the other Prima. So this was the Signa and the Prima range of Tata trucks. Do let us know what you think of it and if the addition of ADAS is actually useful for a truck. Till then, this is Faizat signing off. Rev hard and rev free.